counterintuitive cricket problem. The village of Smallville has a cricket pitch in the middle of the village. The pitch is a perfect circle of radius 50 metres and has a boundary rope all the way around the boundary. Unfortunately, somebody has cut the boundary rope and stolen 5 metres of rope. As the rope is now shorter, the villagers have to make the boundary shorter, hence decrease the radius of the pitch. Meanwhile, the Galactic Gods also have their own circular cricket pitch out in space. Being gods, they have a much larger pitch with a radius of 1 billion miles. Unfortunately, they've also lost 5 metres of their boundary rope and will also need to reduce the radius of their pitch. Who do you think will need to reduce their pitch radius by the most? Common sense would suggest the village pitch, as they've lost a significant fraction of their circumference, compared to the gods only losing 5 metres out of 1 billion miles. But let's do the maths and see if we're correct. So the circumference of a circle is 2 times pi times the radius. So the original circumference of a cricket pitch would be 2 times pi times the original radius. The new circumference, after the rope has been stolen, would be equal to 2 times pi times the new radius. Now we know that the boundary has reduced by 5 metres, so the original circumference minus the new circumference must equal 5. Putting our formulae for circumference into there, we get 2 pi times the original radius minus 2 pi times the new radius is equal to 5. Factorising the 2 pi gives us 2 pi brackets original radius take away the new radius is equal to 5, which means that the original radius minus the new radius must be equal to 5 divided by 2 pi, or approximately 79.6 centimetres. So this means that the radius of the cricket pitch has reduced by 79.6 centimetres. But if you remember, at no point in our calculation did we put in the actual figure for the radius or an actual figure for the circumference. So the length of the boundary rope has no effect on the calculation at all. The pitch radius reduces by approximately 79.6 centimetres for both the villager's pitch and the Galactic Gods pitch. The same would be said for any circular pitch of any size. If you reduce the boundary by 5 metres, you reduce the radius by 79.6 centimetres.